Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how can I add new contact in WhatsApp. So first, you just have to open or launch your WhatsApp application and then go to the bottom right and tap this plus icon here. Now click new contact under new group. Now what you're going to do next is to add a person's first name, last name, and the person's contact number. And then you can also click the email address where you want to save this contact. So choose the country and then the phone number. And then after that, you can click save. So you have to make sure that the person is using WhatsApp so that you can easily invite him or her. If that person is not using WhatsApp, you can only add him or her to your contact list, but you can't invite him to WhatsApp application. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.